Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My face is dark here. It's against the light, so I am here to update the construction. It's a long time that I did not update the construction. We are already done of painting here upstairs in the first floor. So this is the, but you can see here the view. See? This is the beautiful view from our Villa 2. The same in Villa 1. So this is it. So this is the color of the terrace. Inside we are painting cream. So this is the color of the first room. And then you can see the view here, full of tree. It's a green surrounding, and then you can see the seaside there. So it's we have a beautiful view. Tiles is already done. We need to clean it. Ceiling. This is the terrace. Tiles is almost done. This is the second room. The same color, the paint color is green. And here you can see, outside here you can see the full of tree outside. What a beautiful surrounding. In that area you can see our mock lady. So this is it. So we go down and downstairs, of course. Ceiling is done. If you go outside from the room, you can see the beautiful sea. So that one. And that small mountain is the small island of San Francisco, the Tulang Diot. And in this area, this is the Lake Danau. So welcome to my YouTube channel once again, Villa Jolam, Camotes, Cebu. So this is it. This is the beautiful view from our Villa 2. So go down in this downstairs. This is the stairs. In this side is not yet done. Ceiling is not yet installed. Downstairs they are doing tiling. So here we are start of tiling here. Going down now. Shower. They already paint, half paint because it's not yet done of tiling her. Similar in the toilet. So I am here now in the living room. Living room is done of tiling. Ceiling is not yet painted. This is ready for painting. Wall is not yet painting final color. So this is it. This is only an update because it's take long time ago that I did not give an update of the construction. So here, kitchen, start of tiling here. Sorry for the mess because still we are working on it. Then outside terrace is starting of tiling as well. All around, ceiling is ready to paint. Book our Villa 1 and 2, incoming 2. Outside is they are doing skim coat. It's already done of ceiling here. The adopted dog is sleeping. So once again, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Jolam, Camotes, Cebu. And this is the update of the Bella 2. So this is it. So once again, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Jolam, Camotes, Cebu. Like, share, hit the notification below para updated ka sa aking mga video. So bye bye! Have a good day!